Hey, what's up guys, I update all of you doing well. So there's a good news and a bad news regarding the One UI 8 update. So the good news is that Samsung recently announced that they will be releasing the One UI 8 beta version on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 in the beginning of the next week. But keep in mind that it will be available in the limited countries that are eligible for the beta update. Meanwhile, the other countries will have to wait for the official update. And not only that, in September, availability will extend to even more devices including the Galaxy S23 series, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, A36, A55, A35, A54. All of these devices with the eligible countries can register to the beta version on the Samsung's members app. You can register for the One UI 8 beta version from your Samsung members app. For that, you will have to simply go into your Samsung members app, and from here you will get a banner of the beta version update right over here. Now the sad part is that this beta version is limited to some countries. Not all countries can enjoy this beta version, and you will have to wait for the stable version if your country is not eligible for the One UI 8 beta version. Also, Samsung in their blog said that in September availability will extend to more devices. That means that we might get to see the stable update a bit delayed. But for the flagship devices like the S25 Ultra, it will roll out in the month of September most probably. If you talk about what new you can expect with the One UI 8 update, so there will be no as such UI changes available this time around. In short, you can say that the One UI 8 will be the enhanced version of the One UI 7 update. If there were bugs and issues that were there in the One UI 7 update, like there were battery drain issue, hopefully that will be fixed with the new One UI 8 update. I was also facing this screen lag issue while locking my Galaxy S24 Ultra. Hopefully this issue will be fixed with the One UI 8 update as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the latest news regarding the One UI 8 update with the Samsung. Let me know in the comment section that are you updating your device on the One UI 8 beta version or not. Also, if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.